Good morning. It is our second full day here in beautiful Punta Cana. And today we got up super early. I will insert this footage here. We got up to go down to the beach and watch the sunrise.
Yes, we're all just staring at it. Okay, I can't look at it anymore. I know. That's why.
Because today we have an early morning anyway, that at 8:15 we actually have to have all of our bags down in the lobby because we are transferring to a different resort. Well, I'm getting foggy. Oh wait, one moment. All right, there we go, I'm back on. So yeah, it is so humid. It like keeps fogging up my lens, but it is gorgeous. I am just like soaking up this beautiful weather. So yeah, today we actually have a very exciting day because we are transferring resorts. But first off, we are doing a tour of a bunch of different properties just like we did yesterday. So I'm really excited to see all of those. So we had to be down in the lobby. We have to go down at 8:15 and have all of our bags down and everything. So we're like, it's gonna be an early morning anyway, might as well make the most of it. So all of us went down and we watched the sunrise. So I will insert that footage right now. It was so nice. So yeah, we had a group of us that went down and just stood there, took it all in. We took tons of pictures, and me and Karen and Melissa did a little photo shoot on the beach and by the pool, and we just had an amazing time. Came up to the room, and me and Brooke ordered room service. We had it ordered last night and it got delivered this morning, so that was perfect since we were packing up everything. We're still finalizing our stuff, kind of getting it all ready because we have to get ready to go down, take our bags down and everything. So room service was excellent. The food was just incredible. I had those pancakes again. Those were nice and sweet. And yes, this has been our morning. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I'm just soaking up this beautiful weather that we are having. This is my view from the balcony. Look at the blue skies. All right, time to go finalize packing. I am so happy. Look at this resort kitty.
Hi, baby.
Yeah.
You hello. That's so fun.
You are a sweetheart. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Hi, Pumpkin.
Is this your palace?
You look so happy, just chilling out. Aww.
Oh my Lord, that's
Wow.
I couldn't believe it.
We are going to be here for around 1 hour. Anything you want to leave on the bus will be safe with Raphael, so just take what you need for doing a site inspection.
Which one is this? Palace? Riu Palace. Wow, lovely. So we are now at the Riu Palace. This is our very first Rio property that we're seeing today. We're going to be seeing a couple different Rio properties, but look at this. It looks like we are inside of a castle. This is beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful.
Mark. We're gonna need closet.
You can feel the real European style, like Andalusia. Here's what we have in the home. It's our Japanese restaurant. I don't know if you
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it is? Yeah.
Yeah, the Aria spot. Did you hear my share comment last night? Why would they put a random thing in there like that? Clearly no building code. Regular agent rates, but once you've done the master agent course and you log into AMR agent, you'll see yeah, absolutely. They're like higher people. So, but that was because we just weren't affiliated with them, you know, at all. So there was no way to really. And I tried to register, but of course it wouldn't let me.
Right. Yeah, we'll have to talk.
But I really do want to do the thing because I.
Decent underwear on, you're okay.
All right, we are now heading down to the beach. So right here you can see is the pool, and the beach is seriously just right here. Here we all go. Look at the color of that water, so beautiful. I love all the palms.
I like this.
Looks very Caribbean, very Caribbean. Coming up to this area, when you go to the beaches, you'll see that the sand is more golden and the water's not quite so blue, white sand. Yeah, this is perhaps not the area, but you'll see for yourself. So.
Aaron got the mountains, everybody.
The cactuses are different.
Cute.
It's so cute. I love this area.
Yeah.